really excited. I love IKEA. Am I the only one that loves IKEA? Do you love IKEA?
What's IKEA?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. We've got news for you. Do you want to share the news, Ashi?
Oh, you be my guest.
So Ash got the keys to his apartment yesterday, which means we are moving.
How many moving vlogs do we need to do?
I know.
So many.
This is like the first time we've moved, in between moving in and out and out of different properties in the last 2.5 years. So
This should be our last moving vlog for many years. Hopefully.
Many years. Yeah. He actually owns the flat. The apartment is his, which is just really lovely. So I will do a house tour. We've literally just done the first run. We've got a TV and we've got our old TV unit, which will be potentially changing over the next few months, but for now it will do. We've got a super comfortable sofa, and by sofa I mean beanbag.
Donated by Matt.
Donated by our friend Matt. He's come to the rescue.
Yeah, he clearly didn't want it anymore and said keep it, and I said no, we're just borrowing.
And I'm about to go and get coffee because we've been on the go since like 9:30 this morning, and coffee's much needed. You know, I don't.
Yeah, you're just not allowed to spill the coffee this time.
Please. Okay, I'm gonna go get coffee. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. This here is gonna be Ashley's room and his spare bedroom. Obviously, we've already got Star Wars thing in there from the old house, and then the living room, which is all dark because we're about to leave. But we've put the TV. Yay! Hi! So, why are you so low? Like, we're about to go to IKEA, but you are currently standing in what's gonna be my office! So this little bit here is like a whole corner. I'll show you. It's like a whole corner out of our main bedroom. That's gonna be my office! I'm so excited! We're about to go to IKEA to get the furniture that's gonna go in it, and I will show you how it looks and how it progresses. Really excited. I love IKEA. Am I the only one that loves IKEA? Do you love IKEA?
What's IKEA? Of course I love IKEA. Meatballs.
And we've got our friend Matt who's coming with us. She just put the window down to say hello. Put it back up there. But yeah, we'll take you along with us. So let's go to IKEA, guys. Let's go.
Worst traffic ever.
Yeah. We made it! We made it! Where's Groot? Groot! We've lost Matt and he's so cold! We decided to leave the coats in the car. Bad mistake. I am currently regretting my life decisions. Goodman? Nope. Nope. We found him! Guys, they forgot your flag. Hey guys, so we just made it back to the house from IKEA. Such a long day, and it's light outside now, it's dark, but got some goodies. Let me show you this. A few bits there, and another box is coming up, and then there's things inside the boxes. Also, these are my favorite ever biscuits, and they only sell them in IKEA. So every time I go there I have to stock up. They're just like this oat and chocolate biscuits. And what do we have? We've got candles, we have towels, we have loads of bits, guys. I'm excited to show you. So we got some cute towels from IKEA, hand towel for the guest bathroom and some for our bathroom. Then I got some pink towels and Ashley got some dark grey ones, and we've got like bath mat and a few other bath mats. And we are now building some bits. Guys, the second piece of furniture is built. Little Alex drawers. And so thank you to Matt and to Ash. And we also have a footstool, which is storage, which is pretty cool. So that's been built. So onto the big unit.